Howdy, it's your pal, the drone trucker. Today, I'm gonna show you one of many ways to strap down a beer load. This is the way I do it. Everybody does it different. Some people goes crisscross. Some people just go up there and then down there. Some people use one strap, two straps. I use two straps. To me, that seems a little bit safe, so okay, we are using what they call ratchet straps. On the ends, on each side of these ratchet straps, they got a little doohickey. And you take this little doohickey and you move this little lever, like so. You got like this. And then it goes inside the slot. So to just demonstrate it, you take this. What I do is I come in from the bottom, or come in to the top, and then latch it. And then sometimes what I'll do is I'll give it a nice yank to make sure it's secure. These right here are called bulkheads. Well, that's what I call them. Some people might use them as a different name. But you can see right here there's a lip. And then here's the corner of the front right here. So the way these go is you slide it right there, because you got the corner right there. And you make sure that when you strap it down, you have the corner inside that black, bulkhead. And then the same way with the other one, just like so. So what I do is I always take one across the top, one across about the close to the bottom, but not perfect. So I'm gonna put the first strap in. Make sure it's nice and secure in the groove. Come back on to the other side. Same way. And then I pull it. And what I do is I just lightly just snug it to where you can make sure your corners are in where they need to be. Then I do the second one, like so. Now like I said, some people do zigzag for a cross, but I just do it straight across like this, simple, easy, and quick. And the same way, lightly strap it down. So what I do is you don't want to snug it, you don't want to really tighten it down, because the corners can get damaged from the ratchet strap. Now if you're doing kegs, that's a whole new story right there. Those you want to really put some oomph into it. So I just do nice and lightly snug. Make sure those are good, and that's how you do it. Stay tuned for more. Alright, so what I do when I try to figure out where to put my tandems at, I count these. Every trailer is different. It might be a smaller side panel, but this is a newer trailer. So what I do is I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and you can see right here the 12. So what I do is I usually round up to 13. So the 13 panel, which basically would put the tandems right underneath the last pallet. And then the reason I do that is because then I know if something's wrong, then I know I need to slide the tandems forward or backwards. I'll put a link in the video tag for a slide tandem video that I did. So stay tuned. And another thing too, that what you need to make sure all the time, I don't care what's going on, but up there you have two little latches up there. You want to make sure your bar's latching mechanism up there is inside there and locked, because if not, that top part's going to be open and whatever product you have in there is going to be wet or damaged and stuff like that. So with these new trailers, the 21078s, they have a well, this one actually has the 41 foot mark, which I'll get into a video later on, but the newer ones have this already engraved into the newer trailers. But see, I have a newer truck. So what I've been doing is I've been sliding the tandems all the way to the 40 foot mark, and then I can determine which way I needed to go. So I hope y'all liked the video. Comment in the bottom if you want to see more like this. Subscribe to our channel, and have a happy new year, and stay safe. Have a good one.